Hey everybody in YouTube land. We're here at VHP. We just got done working on this 87 Nissan Pathfinder. It was in here because it was idling at like 2,000 RPM. It had vacuum leaks like crazy. And then the throttle body was not adjusted correctly. The distributor wasn't in correctly. It was a couple teeth off and barely running. But everything else is nice and smooth now. I should have took a video of it when we first got it because you can hear air seeping like crazy. Now you don't hear nothing. The engine's super smooth, where before it was running, like I said, 2,000 RPMs. We were going through it, checking everything out, and we found six or seven. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six vacuum leaks. So this thing was taped on, and as you can see, it's got cracks. Let me try to get in the sun a little better there. You can't really see it, but this one was leaking. This one here was leaking. This one was leaking, especially right there. This one was leaking. This one was all blown out too. And this one we got away with just cutting it shorter, but this one was leaking too. Yeah, so it runs so much better now, so much smoother. Two of the vacuum lines are tucked away, so we couldn't find it, so we were going through listening like crazy, taking brake cleaner and spraying all over the vacuum lines, all over the intake, all over the throttle body, and we hadn't found one of them, which was over by the charcoal canister. That one we found, and that one took and it was hidden. No, I'm sorry, it was by the charcoal canister for the cruise control, the vacuum line for the cruise control. But yeah, so it's all back together. She's up and running, sounds great. Next thing we're doing is going to fix this upper control arm. As you can see, the tire, it's kind of hard to see, but the tire is kind of inwards. So we'll put it up in the air, take a look at it, and go from there. Yeah, there you go. You're just barely touching it. All right, sounds good. Well, you guys have a good one. We'll talk to you later. Remember, please like and subscribe to these videos. It helps me get more videos out. You have a good day.